Here's another Turner Time tip. This video is on the spelling and grammar check in Outlook 2003 and 2007. To check the settings on spelling and grammar, left-click on the Tools menu, left-click on Options, and left-click on the Spelling tab. You want to make sure there's a check mark in the top box. Always check spelling before sending. You can decide personally if you'd like a check mark in the Ignore Original Message text in the reply or forward. Left-click Spelling and Autocorrection button, and remove the check mark next to Ignore Words in Uppercase. This way, if you type anything in uppercase, you can be assured that it will go through the spelling and grammar check process when you send an email. When you're finished, left-click OK, left-click OK again, and you're all set. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.